how to enable gifts function on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to enable gifts on your TikTok, then make sure that you meet the following requirements in order to be able to enable the gift function. First things first, you must follow the live gifts requirement. That is, you are 18 years or older, and you must have 1,000 followers, and you must follow the TikTok community guidelines. So once you have fulfilled the requirement for live gifts, you can then follow on with your video gifts. So for that, you will need to have a creator account and you need to have 10,000 followers and 10,000 video views in the last 30 days. And make sure that if your account is private, then you will not be able to enable the gift option. So firstly, go ahead and make sure that you have a creator account, and if not, then open TikTok and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines you see there. You will then see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and then tap on the account option you see there. And further tap on the switch to pro account or creator account option you see there. And then select the creator option. Next, go ahead and enable live gifts. So tap on your creator tools there and further go ahead and tap on the live gifts option you see there and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for receive gifts, and with this you will be able to receive the gifts. Also, go ahead and enable the allow viewers to send gifts on videos option you see there, and if you do not see the option there, then it probably is because your account does not have enough followers, or you are under 18, or your region do not support it. So this is how you can enable gifts on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.